Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the Sophon Modular blockchain. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So Sophon is a modular blockchain powered by ZK Sync, and there is one more chain that we don't know of yet, and it's in partnership with Aethir and Beam. Now before we move on to details of Sophon blockchain, I did a giveaway today on my Twitter page, which is a ZS network giveaway, and Murad won this giveaway. So as you can see, I have transferred like 10 ZS tokens. Now I will be doing one more giveaway soon. I don't know when I will be doing it, but I will be doing it soon. So most probably I will be giving away one NFT on Solana or Cardano, or maybe on ZK Sync. I'm not sure of it as of yet. So what you can do is basically you can go ahead and follow my Twitter page if you want to participate in the giveaways. If you don't want to participate and you just want to have like airdrop and alpha feed, that's also perfectly fine. And if you don't want anything, then you have the option of not following my Twitter page. Now if we talk about Sophon, as you can see, Sophon has raised 10 million funding from renowned investors, and the investors include Spartan, 7x, OKX Ventures and UP Ventures. Now Sophon is a modular blockchain which would be focused on AI and gaming in particular, and maybe in future they might support real world assets and maybe deep in, you may never know. So recently Sebastiana from the ZK Sync era team has recently posted this tweet that he will be leaving ZK Sync era at the end of April. Now we are not sure whether the ZK Sync era airdrop would be in this month, because we haven't got a confirmation from the team yet. And as you can see, he has mentioned like he will be starting with his own project. So his own project meaning it's Sophon. Now basically Sophon is a brainchild of Pentoshi and Sebastiana. So they both of them would be working together in order to actually form this Sophon chain. Now we don't know much of details about the Sophon chain, where there would be airdrop or not, or what's the future for the Sophon chain. And if we go ahead over here and check the Pentoshi Twitter page over here, as you can see, he has close to 800k followers, and he's a part of meritcircle team. And meritcircle, for you don't know, it's basically a part of Beam. Now if we go ahead and check over here, so meritcircle is official account for this meritcircle is this one, and it's creating the future for gaming. Now it's basically building on Beam. Now as you can see, Beam is a sovereign network focused on gaming. Now if you have seen in the past, the Beam token has done extremely well, and it has given multi-bagger returns for most of the investors in the past, and there are a lot of things that are developing on the Beam network right now. And they also have partnership with Aethir. So as you can see, basically Aethir is a decentralized cloud infrastructure for gaming and AI. So that's the reason why Sophon would be keen on focusing on gaming and AI in specific. And with regards to airdrop, as I told you, we don't know anything as of yet where there would be a airdrop for Sophon or not. But what you can do is, meanwhile, you can go to their website sophon.xyz over here, and on the top right you will see the option to connect your wallet. Now I've already connected my MetaMask wallet over here, and as you can see, I'm not sure whether you will be able to see it or not. So as you can see, my registration is confirmed and my wallet is registered. And there is something called as shrine participants, which keeps hovering. I don't know, it's a random number, so we don't know what exactly this is. But I would be keeping tabs on Sophon and how it's building, and hopefully if they have a decent airdrop, then I will go ahead and farm it. I'm not sure of it, and if the farming is free, I will let you guys know as to how to go ahead and farm this airdrop, if any. So this is all for this video, and hopefully this turns out to be a decent modular blockchain in the future where we can actually go ahead and use it, and there would be like some big projects that would be built on top of Sophon, then it's a good thing. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.